Hi, today I will show you how to connect this wonderful helicopter from WLToys, the PowerStar X1 or X2. It should also work, and it is also known as v977 or v930. Okay, we will use for this the small multi-protocol module from Banggood. I will put a link in the description. Okay, so first of all, we need to put this module into FrSky. It's quite easy. You have here 5 pins, there 5 pins, so just check that every pin is occupied and you are ready to go. Okay. Okay. Now, what we would need is new model. I already create one called WLToys. I will just go through the settings. So I just create new model, then I rename it to, I will zoom in that you could see better. One moment. Okay, so I just rename it, then I left everything as it was. And then I put the internal module to off, and then the external module to ppm. Choose channel from channel 1 to channel 12. This was created automatically, and the rest is as default. Okay, what will be the next? Is you need to set the mixer. The channel 1 is the aileron, channel 2 is elevator, channel 3 is throttle, channel 4 is rudder, and now comes the rest. Channel 5, actually I don't know what this is. I put this to SA, but I could not find any option for that. I don't see nothing happen when I press it. So if anyone finds what is it for, it would be great if he would tell it in the comment. Okay, for the rest, the next, the channel 6 is the arm. I use my default arm switch, so for me this is the SF. I just put it to -100, so I just inverse the signal that way that when I start the radio, it would be not armed in default, and later I can arm it by myself. Okay, the next is the channel 7. I put it to SB. This is this one, and this is idle mode. If I go all down, then I will access the idle mode, 3D mode, so constantly full throttle, so I can fly invert. Okay, the next channel is channel 8. I put it to SE. This is this one. This is the mode change. In the standard position, like this, it will be in the stabilization mode. If I go fully up, then I will access the acro mode. It will not stabilize anymore. So this is the 3D mode and 6D mode from WLToys known. Okay, so this was the mode. Channel 9 is nothing, nothing, nothing. Okay, this was. I left channel 12. Actually, I don't know what this is, but when I press it, it will disconnect from the helicopter. Actually, I don't see any reason to have it. So most of all, you need to know is channel 6 is ARM, channel 7 is idle mode, and channel 8 is acrobatic mode. So or stabilization. You have in default you will be in stabilization mode. If you switch it, you will access the acro mode. Okay, and actually if you have set this, you are almost ready to go. What we need now is I will zoom out a bit. Okay, now I will turn off the radio, turn on the helicopter. Okay, now the LED is blinking, and what we need to do now is put the rudder to the right, elevator to the left, aileron to the left, and elevator to down. So if you have channel mode 2 radio, just repeat what I'm doing now. So put all the 6 to yourself. Okay, now we will switch on the radio. And you can see the LED is blinking, and now it's solid. Now you can release the sticks, and you can now see that the servos are moving, and but you will be not able to start now because it's not armed. When we armed, then we can start the helicopter. I will not do it on the table now, but yeah, I think for now it should be enough to start the helicopter. There is one small issue, but I don't see any troubles while flying. When it's switched off, not armed, sometimes the servo triggers very strange. I don't know why is it happening, but while flying you will not see that anything happens. So I don't see it as a really issue. And what I want to tell is, okay, you should also be aware the range. If you are flying mostly with the FrSky modules, you know that as long as you can see the model, you have you are in range. But it is not that the same way on this small multi-protocol module. So I think you have only about 100 meters range. So don't fly too far away because once you will see how the helicopter just stops and fall down. It happens to me yesterday when I was testing it, and I thought it will be maybe nice if I tell you before you have to see how it's falling down and crashed. Okay, for now I think this is all. So have a lot of fun, and thank you for watching.